big Arrow tank is finally back here with us. You can't see much of it there because obviously it's facing the wrong way around. We need to get it onto the stand over there, which hopefully will move all these things out of the way and get it onto that stand tomorrow. It's all been re-fiberglass for us, so should be absolutely perfect, ready to go for them. And today we've had delivered this massive box, which inside here is one of the, well, the biggest background that you can get from Back to Nature. It's going to look absolutely fantastic. I'll give you a quick glimpse of it, but unfortunately it is upside down in this box, but as you can see it's absolutely massive. I don't know whether if I just pop this in here, might be a little bit too dark to see. Hopefully when we get the tank on the stand, which should be later this week, and we'll get the background in and you'll be able to see what we've got going on with it. So wait for my next video that I put up and you should be able to see that. Let me show you the guys that are eagerly awaiting their new tank. Mr. Ray, Mr. Aaron. Can't wait to go in his new 5x7 fish tank. Let's give him a bit of food while we're here. Oh, I've seen the bag. Ones. And just feeding him the Colossus food by Hikari. This is what he likes the most when I can get it open. Where I start spraying water at us. There we go. Even the Arrow likes them. These guys are out to see. It's not even realising food's there. Here he goes. That's his feed me, feed me. These will all be following into the big tank as well. I'll appreciate a nice new space for them. Okay, check back on the next video to see more progress.